Hello children. Today is National Sports Day. To demand more of yourself than you do of others is the first step on any leaders of success. 29 August National Sports Day in India. Children, you know who is this? Yes, correct. He is a Major Dhyan Chand Singh. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29 August on the birthday and a birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand Singh, the hockey player who won gold medals in Olympics for India in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936. He scored 570 goals in his career from 1926 to 1949, accordingly to his autobiography, Goals, etc. He is a legendary figure in the Indian and world hockey. The most noted memorials for him is the Major Dhyan Chand Award, the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games in India, and the National Sports Day celebrations on his birthday. Major Dhyan Chand learned the game of hockey from his coach Pankaj Gupta. There is no one has reached his level in hockey. National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August every year. This day is a public holiday celebrated in various countries to honor the national sports teams and sports traditions of those countries. On this day, people from different age groups take part in sports like kabaddi, marathon, basketball, hockey, etc. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, this year President Ramnath Kovind will give National Sports and Adventures Award virtually on National Sports Day on 29th August. Kiran Rijiju, Narendra Dhruv Batra, President of the Indian Olympic Association and other dignitaries will attend the ceremony from Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Thank you.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए